How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. If you have been banned from Grindr and want to get your account back, stick around. I'll walk you through step by step and exactly how to do so. First thing first, you want to make sure that you have got the latest version of Grindr app. For that, open the App Store. Inside here, search for Grindr and make sure it is updated. If it's not, you'll see update button right over here. If you see that button, tap onto it and update your Grindr application. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and simply try logging in into your original account. If you see banned message again, don't panic, there are still more steps you can try. So after that, you simply want to understand why you were banned. Grindr usually bans users for reasons like spamming or fake profiles, breaking community guidelines, and getting reported multiple times. If you think it was a mistake, it's time to appeal. To appeal the ban, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your mobile device, and in the search bar, simply search for support@Grindr. Just like so, tap on this first link that says Help Center. And inside here, you want to go ahead and simply include your message. Make sure to be polite and explain the situation clearly. Include your username and email linked to your account and why you think the ban was unfair. Sometimes a simple appeal can do a trick. So, after you do so, you can simply go ahead and change your IP address. If the ban is tied with your IP address, here's how you can bypass it. First way to simply switch to a different Wi-Fi network. After that, you can even use mobile data as well. Or, an easy way is to simply install a VPN application and connect to a new location. Just like that, the next step would be to reopen the app. After you have switched your IP address, reopen Grindr and try logging in again. If that works, congrats, you're back in. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.